Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. And before we get started, can you tell if this is blackheads or just dirty pores? Leave a comment below. Today's pimple popping weekend review includes this impressive dilated pore of Weiner. And this keratin-filled epidermoid cyst. For reference, keratin is the type of protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Keratin can also be found in your internal organs and glands. Keratin is a protective protein, less prone to scratching or tearing than other types of cells your body produces. Next up is the great weight loss submission by former WNBA player Katie Gal. I think I'm saying that right. Stick around for more about weight loss later in the video. These nose blackheads come to us from Dr. Vikram. He is the OG pimple popper on YouTube. What do you think of his technique? Many people say he doesn't get the entire content out of blackheads. And here is a healthy baby with a lot of hemangiomas. Should we do a full video about hemangiomas? Leave your opinion below. Now a word about my favorite weight loss formula and appetite suppressant, Thynergy.
Hi, this is Emily, and I'm here to tell you about my experience with Thynergy. I started taking Thynergy about 6 months ago, and since then I've lost 20 pounds. It helps a lot with the energy throughout the day. It helps me get a lot more stuff done, a lot more laundry, a lot more playing, a lot more cleaning. And you can find it on Amazon, and I personally suggest you go find it.
All right, thanks, Emily.
You're welcome.